All right, again, good morning, everyone. This is our early morning analysis. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, 8:15, 2025. Okay, I had to put a disclaimer in there. And if you like what you see, people, we do this every single day. We track the price right across the board. All right, so if you like what you see, subscribe, ring the bell so you receive the information on your feed in YouTube. All right, let's see what we see. This is the Dax, the German 40 analysis today. The lines you see are pivot points. We use that to determine the extreme overbought and oversold instruments so we can trade it. As you can see, the DAX is approaching a very relevant area or resistance here. All right. Now, does that mean that the price is going to bounce from there? No, the price can easily continue to the next level. What we do is we identify the area and set up the robots to take the opposite direction. It makes sense? So we don't have to be looking at this. With the price turn and these bars become red, this robot take the position. We believe, nevertheless, that it's going to bounce from there and the price tend to go back to the pivot. This is the weekly pivot. That's about 500 pips there, depending where you enter. Now, the question is, will it bounce? Well, remember, what we do as a traders, pretty much, we look at the past, and project it to the future. Let's see how many times I have been in this area here. So to do that, we draw a horizontal line here. I like pivot because there are calculations that the lines stay in the same place. It's not like the polynomial channel that move. This is a more precise, in my opinion, to make decision whether you buy or sell an instrument. All right, let's look back into the past to see if you see incidents in here. I had to release the brake there. Well, we can see that the price had not been in this area for a long time. Let's see it in prospectus, and let's take this indicator out of here so we can actually see the price. Can you see this? Let's even take this indicator out because we're looking at this here. All right. So how about that? How about that? 4 hour. Ooh, mama. Way back here. No. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So I gotta tell you guys, to me, my opinion, this is a major area for resistance. Look at this historical data here. 4 hours. 4 candles. Let me go back. Daily chart even farther down. I don't even have data. Look at this. So the DAX, this is the highest price in history in the DAX. Where are my thingy? Hold on. I don't see mine. Apologize. Let me see. Oh, right here, hombre. Let me drink some coffee. Maybe I have a way sleep. Okay, here we go. So the whole point for this is to see how far into the past. As we see here in the daily chart, we see a rejection here. Can you see it? Can you see a little bit? So we can see a little symptoms that the price may turn here. Because of that, we are standing by. We're able to take a position. Let me reset this. We are in 1 hour. Reduce the minimum expression so we can see. So our opinion for the DAX today, we have a reasonable expectation that it's going to be a reversal in the DAX. And that's a lot of moolah there. All right, again, this is our analysis for the DAX today, A15 2025. Good luck today. Bye.